Welcome students. Today we are going to understand about appositives. What are appositives? Appositives actually offer us a way to describe a noun in a good way, and you know that noun indicates some person, place or a thing. So they give us a method to describe them in a very concise way, in a very clear way. So let's understand what are appositives. An appositive is a word or a group of words. It is a word or a group of words that identifies or renames a word in a sentence, often a noun that immediately precedes it. Now let's understand what is an appositive. An appositive is a word or it is a group of words which identifies or renames a certain word in a sentence which is generally a noun, and that immediately precedes it. Precedes means it comes before it. Now what are the other things? An appositive offers a concise way of describing a person, place or a thing. So before we proceed further, let's have a recap. An appositive is a group of words, or it may be a single word also. It identifies means it helps you in understanding. It sometimes renames also a word in a sentence, and it that precedes it means that comes just before it. What is the work of appositives? Appositives actually offer us a method. They give us a method to describe some noun that is indicating some person, place or a thing in a very good and clear way. Now, appositives, as I told you, these can be a word, these can be a group of words. When these are a group of words, then these are called appositive phrases. So let's understand what are the appositive phrases. And before we understand appositive phrases, let's have some examples. Let's understand some examples of appositives. So let's see. Examples of appositives. Examples. First example, my favorite friend James My favorite friend James loved music. Second example. My class teacher Mrs. Rosie gave me an assignment. Next example. Mr. Appleton, Mark's dad, owns an orchard. So here underlined words are the appositives, and these are essential to the sentence. If you remove them, then the meaning will change. So these are the examples of appositives. My favorite friend James loved music. My class teacher Mrs. Rosie gave me an assignment. Mr. Appleton, Mark's dad, owns an orchard. So these are the examples of appositives. Now we will understand about appositive phrases. So let's understand what are appositive phrases. Appositive phrases. Appositive phrases. We all know that a phrase is a group of words that make some sense but not the full sense. So appositive phrases is a group of words which consist of an appositive and its modifiers. Why these modifiers are needed? Modifiers are needed to provide some deep meaning to some noun in a sentence. An appositive phrase consists of an appositive and its modifiers which provide deeper meaning to some noun in a sentence. So what is an appositive phrase? An appositive phrase consists of an appositive and modifiers. Modifiers can be any words which add something to the meaning of the noun that is meant to be described. Okay? So let's see examples. Alaska, the largest state in the USA. The largest state in the USA is of the north of contiguous 48 states. See another example. Rosalind Carter, the wife of former President Jimmy Carter is the oldest first lady. Is the oldest first lady. See one more example. Martin Luther King Jr., the popular civil rights activist was shot dead. So here the popular civil rights activist, and in this the wife of former President Jimmy Carter. So these underlined words indicate appositive phrases. So I hope you have understood what are appositives and what are appositive phrases. We understood appositives with the help of certain examples. We also understood appositive phrases with the help of certain examples. So I hope you have understood what are these. We will meet in the next class, and before I end the class, I remind you that if you are a new student, then you subscribe the channel, and if you are a regular student, then you recommend the channel to your friends. Thank you. Keep watching.